This video of the month showcases how the application of Restriction VA, supported by Optis Infinity technology, helped a leading operator in Russia diagnose and overcome their wellbore access problems. The operator experienced a restriction within their oil-producing well during a production optimization intervention. The well has a history of corrosion, with a replacement wellhead recently installed as a result, and any further integrity issues would force the operator to plug and abandon the well. EV's Optis Infinity M125 system was deployed on slickline with both downview and 360-degree sideview footage acquired to diagnose the restriction and evaluate the integrity of the well. The camera was run downhole to 44 meters, where the detailed 360-degree footage revealed the cause of the restriction to be an over-torqued tubing connection. Downview footage revealed a clear change in diameter at the connection, and by assessing all remaining tubing connections, confirmed this to be an isolated incident. 13 individual measurements were made by an EV analyst around the ID of the restricted connection. Although the restrictions are relatively small, their apparent square-edged nature may have been problematic for the passage of some BHAs. With the restriction diagnosed, the operator also wanted to confirm the condition and integrity of a new wellhead that was recently installed. EV's proprietary visual analytics processes were applied to create a fully interactive 3D model of the wellhead, enabling direct comparison with engineering drawings and confirming the wellhead was intact and corrosion-free. Based on the quantitative information provided by Restriction VA, it was concluded that the restriction was caused during well construction and was not a symptom of an underlying well integrity issue. With this information, the operator decided against abandoning the well and proceeded with a workover to restore access for future well optimization activities and secure the long-term operation of the well. Contact your local EV representative to find out more.